How to harvest spinach and various ways to harvest spinach. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Special events. So today I'm going to show you the various ways to harvest spinach, and you can harvest spinach various stages of the growing period, from the beginning to the end stages. You can harvest it very early when it's very tiny leaves to use in salad, or you can let it grow to maturity and you use it in the kitchen to cook whatever you want to cook with it. So let me show you the various ways to harvest spinach. As you can see, the spinach is really grown. Most of the spinach that I have here, they've really grown, and they have big leaves. And over here I have more spinach right here. So I have a lot of spinach. I have a lot of spinach to harvest. So let's get started, and I'll show you the various ways to harvest spinach. My favorite way to harvest spinach is the easiest way to harvest it is by hand. And you want to just go towards the crown of the spinach like that, and you just press it and twist it, and you harvest it like that. So just do that. That's the easiest way to harvest it. Another way to harvest spinach is you want to use a shear. You can use a shear like this or a scissors like this, and you just go towards the crown of the spinach and just snip it like that. So you can use it like that, and you just pick it up. So you can, this is another easy way to do it. Just use a scissors or a shear, garden shear, and just another way of harvesting spinach, which is if you want to harvest the whole spinach plant itself without really just selecting one at a time, you can just hold. So you can just hold the whole plant itself up like that, and you use a you can just hold the whole plant up like that, and you just use the shear, and you want to cut it above the crown. The crown is where the leaves come out, so you want to cut it above the crown like that. That's another way, or you can harvest spinach, and then you have your spinach with you. So another way that you can harvest spinach is if you don't want it to continue to grow in this area. If you have plans to use the area for something else, like over here I have huckleberry coming out, and I don't want it to grow right now over here. What you can do is you can pull it out. You have to pull the roots out. If not, it's gonna continue growing here. So you pull the roots out like that, and then you want to just cut out like that, and just take out the leaves that you need, and then just throw away the stems. That's if you don't want it to continue growing. But if you want it to continue growing, you want to leave the stems in there, and you just want to cut by the leaves. So, but in a couple of places over here, I don't want it to continue growing. I'm just gonna pull it out. Let me show you. You pull it out like that again, and you just cut your leaves and let the rest fall. It's gonna be fine. So that's it. There's another way of cutting spinach that you use a machine. That's mostly for like industrial or medium-sized farms where they do a lot of spinach production. But those are the easy ways you harvest spinach. And like I said, you want to harvest spinach at any stage, depending on what you want or depending on what you want to do. So the best time to harvest spinach is early in the morning or late in the evenings. You don't want the temperature to be above 70 or 75. If you have the temperature above 70 or 75, then the leaves are gonna wilt and they're gonna not look good. I'm harvesting mostly the big leaves right now. I'm gonna leave the small leaves so that I can use it. I can harvest it later on, anytime during the next week or two. So I'm just harvesting mainly the big leaves. Let me know in the comments below if you grow spinach, and and the various ways that you use spinach or you eat spinach. If you like what you're watching, please give it a thumbs up. It's gonna help the channel be able to share this video to more people. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. If you like the video, a lot of other friends, family, and other people might like the video too, so share the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue harvesting the rest of the spinach. This spinach, I just have one particular variety of spinach. There are so many different varieties of spinach, so this is just one variety of spinach that I grow. So you might have a different variety of spinach, but they all are the same, and they mostly give you the same growth and the same harvesting and the same way of using it. So just if it's a different variety that you grow, that's fine. Just let me know in the comments below if you have any special variety that you like. So this is what we have harvested, and this is just what we and we still have a lot that we can still harvest. Let me just show you. Even after harvesting, we still have a few that we can harvest. So we should be able to harvest every 2 weeks, at least every 2 weeks, or every week we should be able to harvest the micro spinach or the new growth spinach. But we should be able to harvest more every week, but we have a lot more to go. I just have a few more that I'm gonna harvest over there, and that is it. So once you harvest it like this, what you need to do is just make sure you wash it, and to save it, you can wash it, put it in a bag, and put a paper towel underneath the bag, and put it in a bag or put it in a container, and then put it in your refrigerator, and it will last you a couple of weeks. But those are some of the ways that you can use it, or you can just some people like to just freeze it and use it later on. So that's all up to you. But those are some of the things that we can do. So what we usually do with our spinach is we use it in the kitchen to cook soups and other stuff. We also use it for smoothies. Very easy, very nice way to get some vegetable in the system. Add it to your smoothie and you get some good. Let me know in the comments below what you use spinach for, if you grow spinach, and what you use your spinach for, and how often you grow it or you use it in your kitchen. Right now I'm just gonna rinse off any soil or sand that's on the leaves before we bring them inside, even though we're still gonna rinse them inside, but we just prefer to take out the sand out here, leave the sand outside, and just take it inside, and then use it, wash it and inside, and soak it for like 20 minutes before storing it or using it. Okay, that is it for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button so that other people are able to see the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. If you like the video, somebody else might like the video, so share. And happy growing, everybody. Take care.